right now, today, it will be very good for you, and this will be only beneficial for you. Okay, so how you can start your English speaking? First of all, you just want to speak English, you want to become fluent English speaker. First thing that you should remove your misconception that people laugh at me, people judge me, people criticize me, people will do everything, but you do not try to judge these things. If people judge your English, if you laugh at your English, what will happen? You will success. You just believe yourself that how much problem you'll have to face, but you should not skip your practice. Your practice can make you perfect English speaker. You do not fear to make mistakes. Every day you just make mistakes very confidently. Some people advise you that you should think about your mistakes, that you should not make too much mistakes, but I am telling you that this is true. You believe it that this is very much good things, that if you make mistakes very confidently, you will not think that what I am speaking. You just think that whatever you are speaking is right, and you always think in positive manner. You do not think that I can't do these things. You can do everything, but matter is that you just make confident in your mind, make confident in your work, that I can do this. Second thing is that you make very small sentences in your mind. You do not try to make difficult sentences, that you will always confuse that whatever I am speaking is right or wrong. You do not think like that. You just think that whatever I will speak truth, speak nothing except truth. Because this is my way of English speaking. Why I am so much confused that I can't do this? You just be very confident in your work. That is matter, my friends, that if you confident in your work that I can do this, I am doing very well, that will be important for you. But if you always confused in your work, that I don't know that I am doing it is right or not right, why you are thinking too much about your work? You just think that this is your work, and you will confident in your work, only then you can be success in your life. Third thing is that you always speak, sorry, you just make plan that every day you should do self practice. This is really very important. Self practice, you know very well that you'll have to speak English yourself. You just question, you just answer yourself, you'll have to do everything. For this practice, you will not have to depend on other people, because you will speak yourself. This is self practice. You just make sentences in your mind. You just think everything, how you, I can speak English, that whatever you are thinking in Hindi, in your native language, you just try to think in English. This will be very important for you. And you just do self practice every single day. I do not know that you are understanding whatever I am telling you or not, but I believe myself that I will do very good work after some time, because I am practicing too much. I am thinking in English, I am making conversation, I am speaking. I just want to try to uh, explain everything in English. I know that I still have to face too much problem. I do not know, many times I make mistakes, but I do not think about my mistake. This is very good things. This is not very big deal that I always think about my mistakes. If I always think about my mistakes, I can never speak English. That is why I have decided that I just speak English. Whatever comes in my mind, I will just speak. And I just believe my practice. So this is very important thing. And fourth thing is that uh, consistency. Consistency is the very most important thing. If you maintain your consistency, you will speak English, and there will be no one in the world who can stop you become fluent English speaker, because consistency is the most powerful thing. You make consistency properly. You do not skip your practice. You speak English 15 minutes, 10 minutes. You just speak every day. You do not think that today I practice and after 2 days I will practice. No, this type of habit is very bad things. You just think about your daily practice. You make schedule, make routine, and follow your routine, schedule, everything. You do not think that you will break your consistency, your rule. So you will be very bad person. Okay. So okay, I will meet you after uh, what after I will meet you tomorrow. Okay. So this is the my suggestion. You just follow this. Goodbye.